So here's a little song we like to sing about profit and loss. Once you know this little song, you'll never be confused about profit and loss ever again. There is a lot of misconceptions about profit and cash. So here's a little song that we sing at Learn Accounting Fast, so you'll never be confused ever again. It goes like this. Profit and losses, performance, performance, performance. Profit and losses, performance has nothing to do with cash. Profit and losses, performance has nothing to do with cash. It's measured in dollars and cents, but it's got nothing to do with cash. So here we go again, so you never forget it. Profit and losses, performance, performance, performance. Profit and losses, performance has nothing to do with cash. Profit and losses, performance has absolutely nothing to do with cash.